Shmai Bob. Today we're going to be looking at factors, prime numbers and multiples. A factor is a number which goes into another number without leaving a remainder. So for example, let's look at these three numbers. Number 12. How can I make, using my times table, the number 12? 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. These 6 numbers are known as factors of 12. Number 27. 1 times 27, 3 times 9. These are also known as factors of 27. Number 13. 1 times 13. There's only 2 factors for number 13. When a number contains just 2 factors, we call this a prime number. Here are 3 numbers just as some examples. Out of this list of numbers, which numbers are prime numbers? Which numbers only have 2 factors, itself and 1? Let's have a look at number 3. 1 times 3. There's no other way of multiplying 2 numbers to make the number 3. So we know that number 3 is a prime number. Number 12. 1 times 12. And we know 12 is in our 3 and 4 times table. There's more than 2 factors of this number, so it's not a prime number. Number 9. 1 times 9, but we also know that 9 is in our 3 times table. Again, there's more than 2 factors, so this number is not a prime number. 7. 1 times 7. There's no other numbers we can multiply together to make the number 7, so we know that number 7 is a prime number. Multiples we've done in our previous lessons this week. They are nice and easy, and they are numbers that appear in our multiplication tables of any given number. So for example for these set of numbers. Which of the numbers above are multiples of 4? Which numbers appear in our 4 times table? There are 3 numbers that appear in our 4 times table. What about multiples of 3? The rule for finding multiple of 3 is if you add the sum of the digits together, they are in the multiplication table of 3. So number 3, we know that's definitely in our 3 times table. 1 add 2 is 3, so that's in our table. 2 add 7 is 9, also in our 3 times table. 4 add 0 is 4, not in our times table. 3 add 6 is 9, in our times table. 1 add 8, also 9. 2 add 1 is 3. 1 add 3 is 4, it's not in our times table, and 9 on the end. These are multiples of 3. I'd like you to have a go and complete this chart for me. It's going to be a bit like Sudoku, guys. You're going to need to move the numbers around until you get them all in the correct places. Some boxes will have more than one answer. Let me just show you what I want you to do. So for example, the first box needs to be a factor of 60 and an even number. Now we know factors of 60 are when you multiply 2 numbers together to make 60. Here are all the factors of 60. But I need it to be an even number. So I need to get rid of all the odd numbers. There are quite a few answers here, but like I said earlier, you need to move the numbers around as you do the grid to put them in the correct places. But I'm just going to let you know that number 20 is actually the correct answer for this box. I've done the first line for you. I'd like you to have a go and upload it to Seesaw. Good luck, guys.